Hey, it's Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. We got a live trade going on right now. Quickly, it's 1 o'clock Eastern time. We've had a solid move up. I'm looking for a retracement back around the 80-60 mark. It looks like we may top out here, or we may not. Might go all the way up to R1 before it looks back. But it looks like a decent trade setup right now. We'll find out. It says NinjaTrader stopped working, by the way. Um, I'm going to bring it back on. Should keep my positions. All right, so that was kind of weird. I don't want to close that. Okay. All right. I'm going to pause here. We'll see what's going to happen. I'm looking at the top being right around here, perhaps. Looking at the blue lines, you can see that we've got an escalation. We have a way I look at this is a GAN signal on the way up. So a top looking to come off that for a little bit. Now, obviously, it could go up a lot more and we could get burned. 80.05 is kind of a target on the way down here right now. So let's put that on the charts here. And then a 3P target on the way. That's a 1.5 target from, actually, we want to measure it from 80.62. So we're looking for 80.08. On the way down. That'll be a 1.5P move down. Now today's high is right there. Today's low is today's low, 78.45. Right there. 78.45, and we made this high of 80.62, it looks like now. $80.67 high. No, wait a minute, that's not true. 80.60, 80.60, yeah, 80.62 is the current high. All right, let's pause here. I'll be back. I removed one right now. I don't want to put it in at 57 because it'll automatically take me out. I can't hit that middle mouse button. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's definitely one of the problems with NinjaTrader is it doesn't allow you to get in and out and move your stop correctly. So we'll have a soft stop. I'm up gross realized right now. I'm up 29 ticks. So we'll see what we can go from here. Had a prior trade. They got me 19 ticks earlier today. So we got our target of 80.08, 1.5p, and then we have a 3p target of 79.54. possible retracement back into this area, maybe at 80.11. It's kind of where I want to see the market get into the prior highs, right in this area. It could be 80 even before it goes back up. So we'll try to take profits around 80, 80.08. That's kind of my overall goal. And then I'm going to come out of it if it goes back up here, the 57.59 mark. I'll come out of the trade altogether. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll talk about it after the fact, but you kind of know what I'm going to be doing. If it goes back up here to 80.57, 80.58, I'm going to be closing the trade out. So here's an issue that I've always had with Ninja since I've moved over to Apex. You click in here and, like, for instance, I wanted to have that just 80.51 was kind of where I wanted to be. So I went in here and I click this and you hit the middle mouse button. So the middle mouse button here, and depending upon how hard you hit it, it could take your trade off the table. So what you need to do is make sure you have your quantity. If you're trading multiple contracts, knowing that this could happen to you, you need to have, you know, down one contract, right? So I've got one eye on plus 50 right now, by the way. So let's move this over here. I don't want to see this go below 39 at this point in time. I'll be happy with 39.40 ticks right now. And I'm afraid to put the target in at that even. I think we should have a quick push down to the $80 a barrel. But we could easily see a quick movement back up too. So looks like I'll come out at plus 45 now. So I'm watching this right here. Looks like I'll come out at plus 50 now. Puts it roughly at 80.41. Getting back to 80.41 now. Nope, that's not right. About 39. If we see 39, we'll close out. Remember, on that target we're looking for is 80.08. See what the it's going. Okay, that's the 3P target, perhaps. Yeah, that's the 3P target. Should be around 79.54. So we'll close around plus 50 now. See it move back to plus 50. We're going to get out. 57 at 30. Looks like 37 is plus 50. 36, 37, we're coming out of the trade. That'll give us plus 50 ticks on the day. Looking for 80.08. I'll be happy between 80.11 to 80.08, 80.06. Got 60 ticks on the up here now. Looks like we'll come out around 80.34 right now. All right, we're going to lock in. Looking for 31. We'll come out at 31 prints now. Got my finger on the close button, right? If I see 31 print, we'll close. All right, as soon as this prints, we'll get out. See, 31 print, we're going to close out. At 29 right now. 30, 31, okay, we're getting out. All right. Picked up 56 ticks. Anything above 50 is always a win on my day. If I'm willing to lose 50, I'm willing to gain 50, and the market looks like it might be done going down for now. 80.22 on the down. By the way, from 80.62, it did go down 1p. 80.26. I had my eyes on that. That's why I was being aggressive on my stop placement on the last contract. Now this is the high right there, right? 80.62, and it's measuring a 1p down move, which right now is 29.37 times 12.25, which brings it to 36 ticks. So 36 ticks was a 1p move. I was looking for 54, 1.5 to come down. So, but I was able to grab 19 ticks on my opening trade, and I'm averaged out the second trade to get plus 56. So let's bring this over and this over, and let's close out the day. This is it. I'm done on the day, man. 30-minute day trading, right? So I had two trades on the day. One was plus 19. The other one brought me to plus 56. All right. So the high peak balance, 51,200, and let's round up to 204. So I just keep track of it on a spreadsheet right here that I hand make. Account balance is 51,000. Let's round up to 122. And our threshold that we cannot go under is 48,704. We were plus 56 ticks today, and his overall today was day number 6 for me. That's it, really. We took advantage of the situation, took advantage of the high. Let's go over the trade setup quickly and call it a day. All right. Fairly simple trade setup. We came in at the 1 o'clock mark, so we waited for 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern time to get involved in the trade. We saw that the market was moving up. This is a 60-minute chart. Let's go down and look at the 15-minute chart. This will show you a little bit more. So here's your 15-minute chart. Here comes your 1 o'clock mark right here. 1 to 115, and now we're currently at what, 117. This just printed 2 minutes ago on this bar. So we took advantage of this bar between 1 to 115. Here's your 1 o'clock print. Here's our 1 o'clock getting in, and we played the down on the high of 80.62. Fairly simple trade. What would I have taken? Most likely would have come out with a plus 10 against me. 80.72 going up, I would have canceled out of that trade and think that we were up for the R1 and the $81 handle. So 1 o'clock being a time trade, take advantage of 3 bar of movement up, right? 1, 2, 3, boom, coming back down. Target on the way down could bring it back into the 80 range still, I believe. That's about it, really. What we'll do right now is, it looks like I'll pause this video, and we'll come back at the 2:30 mark to see how we finish the day out. Be back. All right, so it's the 1 o'clock mark. So when I was looking at the trading right there, it came down, stopped here. We got out roughly around this area. Market goes up to, it's like 80.57 and then sells off. I was already done on the day though. There's 80.08 by the way. Actually hit at 227. Guess if we could have stayed in the trade, that'd have been nice. So 80.08 was the target. It went to this bar here says 80.06 low. As far as what the market looked like, here's a trading bar that we were on. There's the bar that took us out, I believe. And then it went on down into close. All right, that'll do it for today. As far as my trading went, plus 56. I had 2 different trades on today. Picked up 19 ticks, and I guess the other one picked up the remainder of whatever that is, 56 minus 19. That'll do it for me today. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm obviously not feeling so well. Obviously, y'all know this, but I'm not feeling too good today. I've been in and out of being sick though, and I actually was a week before Christmas. I had the flu, and then I got a kidney stone in second week of January, and then ended up with another cold here, sinus infection or something going on right now. That'll do it for now. It's Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. We'll see you in the next video. But together, it looks like I'm at 50. Net liquidation value says 51,121. So I'm about 1/3 of the way to the $53,000 target right now. As far as trading days, today was day number 6. Those that are watching, I'm trying to stay within a $500 loss in any given day, and at least hopefully pulling out a goal of at least 50 ticks on any winning trading day.